Today I'm going to show you everything I shopped in the Zara sale. Hi, welcome back to my channel, and in case we haven't met, hi, my name is Ivana and I live in Bangalore, India. I never ever shop in December because I know that the sale is coming up in January. Now that January is here, the sales are here, and I shopped for pants, for loungewear, for dresses. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing that I need to show you are these incredible lounge pants. Fun fact, they're actually a size large, where my size usually is extra small or small. Immediately, that is also the first advice that I want to give you about sale shopping. Usually the sizes that are left, especially if it's larger sizes, they probably have been tailored wrongly, and that's why they're left in the sale. So these large pants actually fit me perfectly and they are so comfortable. I could not exactly see what the quality of it would be on the website, but when they came in, I was absolutely baffled. They are not see-through. Unlike the other color of these that I'm going to show you, they have this drawstring in the front, so I can tailor them perfectly, and they are just so incredibly comfy. I also love the fact that they are tight at the bottom, because when pants are wide, I usually stick to everything that sticks a little bit out. So I like my lounge pants to be quite tight at the bottom, and these are, and they're so soft. When Zara says soft feel touch, oh my gosh, they are not joking around. Actually, I also got this cardigan to go with it. Actually, you can wear this cardigan also regularly with a top or something, but I thought it was just such a cute matching set. This one was not suggested with the lounge pants, so I did not know if it would be the exact same color, but it is. Apparently they are a matching set. I just didn't know that. So in case you are ordering on the website, now you know. Again, it's the same super soft, super comfortable fabric. I don't think I will be able to wear this one in the Indian summer because that will be too hot, but these pants, they're actually so airy and so light. I definitely do think I will be able to even wear them in the Indian summer. And I actually got a matching top in my second batch order, because I actually sent some stuff back from the first order and then I ordered some more stuff. Initially, I did not want to buy the matching crop top because I don't wear that many crop tops. I don't feel comfortable having a chill around my tummy. But then I was thinking the Indian summer is coming up, and this is not the Indian summer as in the US. This is like summer in India. It gets 35 degrees plus here in Bangalore, so you need some airy, chill clothes to be comfortable in that kind of weather. So I did decide to get the crop top, and this one is absolutely perfect. Fun fact, this is also a medium. Again, larger than my regular size, and you will see that with a lot more items in this haul. But yeah, this crop top, super comfy, love it. Not see-through, unlike this color. So when I first got this lounge set, I decided that the quality was so good for this price that I needed the other color as well. Unfortunately, this lighter color is see-through in the back, so if I ever decide to wear this as a flight outfit, I will definitely need a longer cardigan to cover my bum. Aside from that, again, amazing fabric, perfect fitting in a large, super comfortable, mad value for this money. And I found a different cardigan to match this one. Again, it was not suggested as a matching item. I just eyeballed it and thought, it might match. It matches perfectly, and I was so happy with that. This cardigan actually is a little bit warmer than this one because it contains more polyester. Usually I'm not a fan of anything polyester, but this one is only 60%. Especially when it gets hot here, polyester tends to really sweat, so I'm quite fussy with the materials that I wear here in India. But this one is actually quite soft on the feel. It was still quite airy. It's a different neckline. I do have to say I prefer the V neckline. This one is also a lot more airy. Unfortunately, this one was sold out in this color, so I just decided to get this one. However, this one looks more dressy and more put together if you want to wear it in real life. So I guess variation, right? In case you haven't noticed, when I like something, I like to get it in other colors as well. So I also got the matching crop top for the summer, and I can wear them with the pants. and be comfortable at home. Fun fact, when I lived in the Netherlands, I always used to look forward most to the January sale because you could get really nice knitted and warm items for 50% off or 60% off, which is mad value for money. So I also decided to shop this beautiful, super soft wrap top. This one is see-through, so in case you plan on buying it, just take into account that you will have to wear it with a tank top underneath. But aside from that, amazing buy. Again, size up, medium, fits me perfectly. In case you didn't know and you're new to my channel, I actually grew up in the Netherlands and I have a Dutch nationality, but I am originally born in the Balkan countries, so Eastern Europe. Moving on to something that I was so happy to find because it is quite a rare piece. This gorgeous, airy, very light denim, I would say blazer-ish dress, because it has that blazer buttoning on the front. At the same time, it has this airy, flowy skirt bottom and puffy sleeves. Now, this is a piece that I know quite sure I can wear for the next 10 years. And I'm not joking about this. I actually have a denim dress that my parents bought me for graduation from Levi's when I was 17 years old, and I still wear that dress. So that's how I know. I absolutely love this dress. Again, it is a medium size, but probably it has been tailored wrongly because it fits me seamlessly in my waist. For the people who are thinking, maybe Ivana, you just gained some weight. No, that's not the case, because like I just told you, I still have a denim dress from when I was 17 years old and it fits me perfectly. So I'm quite sure that these are just tailored wrongly and too tight for the size that is actually on them. This is a perfect piece for me for summer in India because it's so light and at the same time it looks so dressed up. Very much looking forward to wearing this one. Then a dress with drawstrings on the side. Now, I actually own two of these tops already from Zara with the drawstrings on the side. I knew they were super comfortable. I knew the fabric would be absolutely soft and comfy on my skin whenever it gets hot here, so I decided to get the dress variation as well. I also knew that I had to buy the size up because even the shirts were just tailored too tightly. And I got this one in a medium. It is so comfortable t-shirt dress, but at the same time a little bit more special because of the drawstrings on the side. Absolutely love this one. So in case you can get it, 10/10 would recommend. We're almost down to the final piece, but first this bodycon dress with this really fun buttoned neckline. I really like this. And this is a very thick fabric. So actually, I also bought this one for next winter, but now it is on sale, right? Some people may be thinking, but what if it's not in style for next winter? Well, that's actually why I really like to buy basic classic pieces that will last me a long time. I know this is a basic piece. It is so comfortable again. It is very body hugging. The inside is so soft of this one, and you know, gray, basic color. This will never go out of style. So I thought it would be a perfect piece to get now with a discount. What I like about Zara, which is also the reason that I very often shop at Zara, is that their return policy is so insanely flexible. You just have to fill in the form online and the next day actually a courier will be already at your door to pick it up. There are no return shipping costs, no nothing. There are actually not even shipping costs when you order, which is not the case for all providers here in India. So that's why I really like to shop with Zara. You can just order a bunch of stuff, try it on, send the rest back, and it's really fuss-free. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. Whenever it is, I will shout it off the rooftops because I'm a huge Zara fan and have been that for definitely more than a decade, more than 2 decades. We are down to the final piece and I'm actually already wearing it. It's these super wide jeans suit pants, actually. Again, something that is quite rare to find because usually suit pants are in a much lighter fabric. I was a little bit worried that this jeans fabric would be too heavy for summer in India, but because they are so flowy, it's actually quite comfortable, and I really like it because you can have the comfort of jeans but at the same time look put together with suit pants. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to put a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!